Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and a huge hello to all our listeners. I am Alex. Welcome to a very special episode today.
Yes, today is a very big day. Today is day 1 of our 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
Yay! We are so excited. If you want to speak English confidently, you are in the right place.
Exactly. Learning English can feel scary sometimes, but in this challenge, we will make it easy, fun, and relaxing.
Emma, can you tell our listeners how the challenge works?
Of course. For the next 30 days, we will have a short English chat from Monday to Friday.
5 days a week. What about the weekend?
On Saturday and Sunday, there are no new episodes. The weekend is your time to rest. You can rewind, listen again, and practice what you learned.
That is a perfect plan. 5 days of learning, 2 days of reviewing. You will learn new words, and you will practice speaking with us every day.
Yes. So, Alex, how are you feeling today on day 1?
I am feeling so happy and energized. I have my coffee, and I am ready to help our listeners. How are you, Emma?
I am feeling great. I am an early bird, so I woke up very early today. I am just so excited to start this journey with everyone.
Me too. So let's begin. What is our very first topic for day 1?
Today's topic is the most important lesson in English. We are going to learn how to introduce yourself.
Introducing yourself. That means telling new people who you are?
Yes. When you travel or when you meet a new friend, you need to introduce yourself. We will use simple sentences.
Perfect. Let's start with the easiest part. Our names.
Okay. When you meet someone new, you smile and say, "Hello, my name is..."
Hello. My name is Alex.
"Nice to meet you, Alex." "Hello, my name is Emma."
It is very nice to meet you, Emma. See? That is very easy. My name is.
Some people also say, "I am." For example, "Hi, I am Emma." Both are correct and very natural.
Yes. I am Alex. Now, after you say your name, people usually ask where you are from.
This is a very common question. Where are you from?
Emma, where are you from?
I am from the United States.
The United States. Very nice.
And you, Alex? Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, Canada. It is very beautiful there.
Yes, it is. So, listeners, you can say, I am from, and then say your country. For example, I am from Brazil. Or I am from Japan. Or I am from Italy.
You can also say your city. You can say, "I am from Paris, France."
Yes, that is great. Let's put it together. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Canada.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am from the United States.
Wow! We are already having a real English conversation.
We are. Okay, what is the next step?
Sometimes people talk about their jobs. They ask, what do you do?
What do you do means, what is your job?
Exactly. So, Emma, what do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I make art on my computer. And you, Alex? What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English to students.
That is a great job. Listeners, you use the words I am a to talk about your job. I am a student. I am a doctor. I am a driver.
Yes, keep it simple. So now we have 3 sentences: name, country, and job.
Let's practice. Hi, my name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a graphic designer.
Hi, my name is Alex. I am from Canada. I am a teacher.
You are doing great, listeners. Now, let's talk about one more thing.
What is it? Age?
Yes, we can talk about age. In some countries, talking about age is okay. In other countries, people do not like it. But it is good to learn the words.
That is true. If you want to say your age, you say, I am years old.
For example, I am 25 years old.
And I am 28 years old.
Very simple. I am number years old.
But Emma, I think there is one more very important question we should answer today.
Oh? What is it?
Why are you learning English?
Oh, that is a fantastic question. Why are you learning English? It is good to know your reason. It helps you stay motivated in this 30-day challenge.
Yes, many people learn English for different reasons. Emma, why do you think people learn English?
Well, some people learn English for work. They want to get a good job. So they say, I am learning English for my job.
Yes, that is very common. Other people love to travel. They want to go to London or New York or Sydney. They can say, I am learning English to travel.
That is a great reason. Some people just love watching movies or listening to music in English. They can say, I am learning English for fun.
Oh, I like that one. Learning should be fun. Let's put everything together now to make a perfect, full introduction. Okay, I will go first. Listen carefully, everyone. Hello, my name is Alex. I am 28 years old. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I am learning Spanish for fun.
Oh, you are learning Spanish?
Yes, a little bit, just for fun. Okay, Emma, your turn.
Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. I am 25 years old. I am from the United States. I am a graphic designer. I am learning French to travel.
Wow, you sound so confident.
Thank you. And listeners, you can sound confident too. You just need to practice these simple sentences.
That is right. Don't worry about being perfect. Just open your mouth and speak. Making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning.
Exactly. Every mistake helps you grow. So don't be shy.
Before we practice speaking, let's do our vocabulary highlight. We will explain 2 important words from today.
The first word is introduce. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E. Introduce.
To introduce means to tell people who you are for the very first time, like saying your name and where you were from.
The second word is confidence. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-C-E. Confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself. It means you are not scared to speak English.
Yes! In this 30-day challenge, we will build your confidence.
Okay, listeners, it is time for the most important part of the podcast, the shadowing practice.
Yes. Shadowing helps you speak clearly. We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must repeat the sentence out loud. Do not just listen. You must speak. Copy our voice and our speed.
Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. Hello, my name is Alex.
Sentence number 2. I am from the United States.
Sentence number 3. I am 25 years old.
Sentence number 4. I am a student.
Sentence number 5. I am learning English for my job.
Sentence number 6. It is very nice to meet you.
Amazing job! Your English sounds great. Keep practicing these sentences today.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 1. We want to meet you. We introduced ourselves, and now it is your turn. The question is, who are you?
Yes. Go to the comments right now. Tell us your name, where you are from, and why you are learning English.
Please write, my name is, I am from, and I am learning English because.
And don't forget to type Day 1 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, we want to see how many people finish day 1. Let's see if you can get a 30-day streak.
Practicing every day is the absolute best way to learn a language. Thank you so much for joining us for day 1 of the 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
If you are excited for this challenge, please subscribe to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. Share this video with a friend so you can do the challenge together. Learning together is easier.
We will be back tomorrow with day 2. Get ready to learn more simple, useful English. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, Alex. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow for day 2.